I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics. That's AJ. And that is
motorized bicycle.
Motorized bicycle.
Okay.
That's your opinion on it?
You can't even tell how fast you go.
No, you can't tell how fast you're going.
It smells like gas though.
Well,
no, I don't want to smell like gas. Thank you. Hold on. Hold on, smell it.
So it's some Amazon bicycle kit. It's been welded because bolts broke and it was just welded. The carb's been changed from the original carb kit. It had a light that's not on, probably because it's battery operated. Probably needs new batteries. It's been spray painted every other color. No, it doesn't turn on. But it has a clamp here, so it probably just needs new batteries.
Grabbed.
The kickstand is zip tied on.
Why?
I don't know why. I don't know.
Do you want me to grab a knife?
I do not know what this thing is meant to be.
Is it the speedometer maybe?
Maybe. But I picked it up for pretty cheap.
Let's see you zoom.
Here. You want me
zoom.
to pedal a little bit and put my finger in there and zap me?
No.
I can zap myself with it.
No thanks. How about we see you ride and how fast you go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It goes actually pretty fast.
Where are we riding to?
So, you can see it won't turn at all because I'm turning over the engine right now unless I hold down the clutch.
The clutch? That's a brake.
That's a clutch. This is a brake.
Clutch? Oh my god.
This is a brake.
Oh
This
my
is a
god.
clutch. And then it can roll. So how this works...
You have a manual bike.
Oh yes, I have to, just like how you would like kickstart an old car over, I have to pedal it first, let go of the clutch, and I'll turn the engine over and start the engine. So if I turn over the fuel here, hold down the clutch, the back brakes need to be adjusted badly, and if I pedal, no, I didn't pedal enough.
Nope. Try again. Oh no, there he goes. No, I'm back. Got little legs.
It's a little fast.
A little bit. Here, go down the street with it.
I'm holding down the clutch.
Go down the street with it. So you'll never be late for work.
So overall, it's pretty funny. You can see it has some scoring on the side here from just clearing, self-clearing. The engine turns over with this. All this is neat. I kind of want to check underneath here, but I don't want to pull it all apart. Like you can see, this is the drop clutch. Clutch, no clutch. So obviously, like, it needs a little bit of tinkering to make it run a little better. But it's pretty awesome. It's a little loud. I really don't have any idea what I'm gonna do with that thing. That thing is just fun. I own it now. But there's also this here. Missing a hubcap and a beauty ring. Missing 2 beauty rings. Just has 2 in the back. But yeah, we're at the new location. My new home, where I live now, and we gotta get working. We have the one workshop that I'm taller than, but whatever. Gotta start somewhere. Humble beginnings. It's small. I can stand up. Maybe in the middle? Maybe. But yeah, guys, like, alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's just that was just a little bit of fun. No idea, like mechanical genius turning a bicycle into a motorized bike. Who knows? But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to see you guys in the next video. And stick around because we obviously have things happening. It's a little fast.
A little bit. Here, go down the street with it.
I'm holding down the clutch.
Go down the street with it.